If you want to create a folder in the apps screen or app drawer on Samsung Galaxy S25, what you need to do is simply press and hold your finger on the first app that you wish to add to the folder and then drag and drop it on the top of the other. So for example, something like this. And as you can see, we have created a folder. We can also set a name, change the color of the folder, and of course we can keep adding new apps by doing the same things. Just drag and drop the app to the folder. We can press this plus button in order to also select apps that you wish to add to the folder. We can also reposition, of course, the folder and drop it whenever we want it to be. Another way to create a folder is by pressing and holding finger on the app as well, but this time without moving. You should be able to find select option. So you want to select the first app, then keep adding every app that you wish to add to the folder, and then press create folder at the top. And then we can set up the name. And that's pretty much it. And as you can see, this is also how we can create a folder. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!